Welcome to ParcelUp, Taobao agent and international shipping. Did you ever try to find a perfect place for shopping, but never found one? And then, you found Taobao, a platform where millions of sellers offer an exclusive multitude of products at great prices. But you are concerned that Taobao doesn't provide quality control or customer service? ParcelUp is your solution. Shopping is safe and easy. Step 1. Browse items on ParcelUp.com, add them to your shopping cart, and place the order. Step 2. We will receive your items in our warehouse, inspect them and send you pictures. Step 3. All your parcels will be consolidated and repacked securely, and the shipping fee will be calculated. Step 4. Wait to receive your parcel of joy. Thank you.